Hello guys, so we're going to eat at chicklicous.
Delicious.
Chicklicous. Yeah, there. So you can choose here because we are going to the box, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Snack box.
Mm.
Okay. Which one is the sweet there last time?
No, it's the spices that they put down
Okay, I will tell.
there. I don't want sweet spice.
So just mix it all. We just tell we want this.
But you take 6 snacks here.
You choose na.
How do I choose?
I not yet there.
Exactly.
Thereby you can extra mix. Oh, crunchy noodles. With the rice also you can buy. Then they have also here the beverage here. Oh, she's here.
Okay. I'll have a snack box, please.
They have here, oh nice also, one box.
Yeah, but it's all French fries.
Oh yeah. Okay. Makan dire, sindi.
Okay, popcorn chicken. Sweet plum potato. Seasoned sausage. Seasoned fresh fries. What did I say? Fried gizzards. And give me golden fish balls. Yes, that's 6, eh?
Okay.
Thank you.
You buy one drink only la because I will drink.
Yeah, but what?
Or tomato.
Sorry?
Sorry. Chili or tomato sauce.
Chili.
Chili.
Ta champur ito macam sweet to. Dia tidak maho.
No sweet spices. It's normal
Like gula.
spice.
Ah.
Chili spice.
So which?
What cool drinks do you have?
See here.
Yeah.
Oh, get yourself one.
Here na lang up. Milk tea.
So for the sweet plum, dia pakai plum. So you can check the flavor.
You can choose here your flavor for the sweet plum. Maybe the
This one, pink.
No, I don't want sweet.
French cream milk tea. Okay na, Herdan. What you want?
Need Western pepper. Please.
Okay, I go to the chair now. That's all. One only, Labi. Labi, I choose the chair. So this is the inside if you wanna dine in here. It's nice. It's very peaceful. Chicklicous. Just sit here. They have. Look, what make me very curious is they have this one. Water fountain. They have like a stage also here. Nice. Eh? So we just wait our order. This is our number 2. Waiting. So here are the food that we ordered. Food and drink. So there, because we choose one snack box combo, so we have 6 different food there, and then also one drink because me and Peter is going to share on it. So we just wait for our order. So our drink arrived. Wow, this one, and then Look, the straw was inside here. And it's very nice because here, oh, you can just, diba? They cover it here. Oh. And then you can just lift it up. Give me my straw, Labi. This is, what's this name? I forgot. What's here? Oh. French cream milk tea. French cream milk tea. Let us taste. Delicious. Delicious na. This is one of the best seller here. Like having Oreo on the top, right? Have chocolate inside there. So we're going to watch a movie again today. And we're waiting for the time. So before, it's 7:55. So we still have 1 hour. Because the movie will start 9 p.m. Delicious, really. So this is the fun box of it's this chicklicous. Here you have the golden fish ball, then the sausage, then the other one there, and then here. So it looks delicious, yummy yummy. Then the sauce is mayonnaise, and this one, and then the other one there, chili. So here now we're going to eat. This food really looks yummy yummy. There, Peter is ready to eat. You have to pray first. What is this? It's very crunchy.
Is it?
Oh, they have steak. You can just, and then dip it. Wherever you wanna dip it. Yeah. What is this one?
Popcorn. Chicken.
Chicken popcorn? Okay. This is with potato.
Sweet potato.
So potato or kamote in the Philippines. It looks a lot now. Last time it...
No, it's still a lot.
Very crunchy. Nice. Here's the tissue here. The hot dog. Seems to be like Korean food inspired, no? Just last time we ordered this, and then I ordered my food also, and then it was really too much. Now we now we realize our mistake, so we just ordered this one because it's a lot. It's really a lot. So crispy. This one is hard. Actually, you can sit also outside, no? There's a doorman in here. Nice place. If you want to smoke, you can sit outside there. Those are the ashtray. Okay. Yeah. So we eat first, guys. Thank you for watching.